like camping, but I wasn't expecting to be camping at home.
11 days after the storm hit, many residents remain without power. That includes a Springfield woman who is now adapting to life in the dark.
KVAL's Juliet Smith spent the morning with her. She joins us now in studio. So Juliet, it must be hard to be able to stay patient, waiting for that power to return. How is this continuing to affect her daily life?
Well, it's been hard for her to stay patient, but she is hopeful that power will return soon. Basic things like making coffee or just taking a shower are a few of the many daily activities she misses most.
You know, we kept thinking like, okay, tomorrow we'll have power, or we'll come back and we'll have power, and it's just so frustrating.
The residents of this Springfield home have been without power for 11 days. They say their routine has been forced to completely change.
Normally, you know, you'd come in, you'd fill it up.
Now she's relying on instant coffee.
Yeah, just filling this up.
And grateful for the resources they do have.
You know, I never thought I would be like, oh, thank goodness we have gas, but it's been really nice.
It also comes in handy to help with dark nights.
So with the gas stove, I made a bunch of candles so we would have some light the first couple of nights.
Those first few nights have now turned into multiple nights. The fridge is empty, hundreds of dollars of food wasted, and they're living off non-perishable food. As for the lack of heat, they're bundling up.
We sleep in our robes. So we put on all our pajamas and we put on our thick socks and maybe another pair of socks. Those couple of nights where it was really cold, you know, you just had your nose out so you could breathe.
And it's not just Sarah and her husband who have been suffering.
What, Mama? We actually brought him in the house. We don't usually do that, but it was like all the ice and then 20 degrees.
They're in part why she and her husband aren't going to a hotel. As for restoration,
we are aware of the outage and we're aware of that neighborhood. So it just has not come up on the specific list yet, but she would be one of the people that we hope would have power by the weekend.
They tell consumers to prepare, but then I wonder, well, what did you guys do to prepare?
A question many are wondering. In Springfield, I'm Juliet Smith reporting. Now, Sarah is hopeful that power will be restored as she has seen sub-trucks on her street. But she says there's been a lot of lessons learned after this event. One of them, she's planning to install a wooden stove, which will set her back about $1,000. Now, we previously reported that you can fill out an assessment form through the sub damages, but we want to clarify that for food loss, home, auto damage, or other claims related to the storm, residents should start with their home or renter's insurance and auto insurance providers. The Lane County damage assessment form is separate.
This is a process that these people like Sarah and so many other people in our community are going to be dealing with for a lot of time. Yeah, you got to go through insurance, and that is a complicated process.
Exactly.
Yes, we've been hearing that there's insurance adjusters coming to town to try to help people, but it is going to be a long process.
We're going to do our best to cover it as best we can and understand some of those, you know, intricacies, because who even knows what to do, right? I mean, there's so many questions about how do you deal with this situation.
Exactly. And for a lot of people, this is a first time as well. So exactly.
All right.
All right.
Thanks so much,
Julie.